Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we are going to be doing another unboxing. In fact, no, we're not. We're going to be doing one unboxing and one unpackaging. Yeah, very small things that we're going to be doing today, so I'll just start with the first one. Ta-da! Oh, bear with me a second, let me just angle up a touch and zoom out. This is the first thing. It is the Axis dice bag. There we are. You can get your hand in there. So, we don't need this one anymore. This is the one that has all the dice inside. They can all go in there. Ta-da! Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. You've got a pull cord. And I've just broke it. Yeah, that's awesome. The first thing I do with it is break it. That's just me, isn't it? Right, so let's see if I can. Oh, I'm going to try and fix it off camera, but yeah, it's not really broke. It just needs clipping in here a little better. Just need to open this clip. However, it's done, and just secure it inside. There we go. So we have. I said I'd do it on camera. Don't need to do it on camera. I can do it here, right now. Here we go. Push that up there, and then fasten. And it's not quite right. How does it fit? I think it fits over there and fits over there, and once it's fitted in both, then it can close. No, I don't know. I'll have to look at it, but yeah, very happy with that. I might just put a knot, you know, level off the whatchamacallit, level off the cables or the strings, and basically put a bit of a knot in it if I can't sort it out properly. But yeah, we'll do it. So that's it. That's the Konflikt 47 Axis dice bag. Hopefully I can get that bit sorted out. I will. Next, minis. Yes, we have the Erntemann, the Harvester, I think he's called. Oberstadt Albrecht von Zogling. So let's slip open the cellophane here, rip it off, and have a look. Inside we have the Erntemann Oberstadt Albrecht von Zogling multi-part warlord resin miniature, an assembly guide, and a plastic base. So it's resin. This is going to be interesting. It is not plastic. Didn't realise it was resin. So there we go, that's the instructions. One sheet of paper. And there's a little bit of information about him, so if you'd like to read about him, there he is. There we go. So we'll open up this, and it was packaged by, is that Lala or Layla? Lala, not sure how it's pronounced, but thank you so much. I hope I don't spoil your hard work by messing this mini up. So what do we have? We have a little bit of a mini sprue here with 2 legs, and we have a bit of a mini sprue here with another 2 legs. We have a head and the top of the canister, so I presume that's the top of the canister that makes the fluid that makes the zombies. Here we have the canister itself and the backpack. I believe it is. Here we have his body and the harness thing, or the seat that he's in for his little walker. We have an arm that's retracted. We have another sprue with 2 more legs. We have an arm that is extended, and we have both his arms. So there we go. That is what we have in the box. There we go. So all that remains now is to put it together, and I will be doing that in a separate video. I could do it in this one, but this is unboxing. I do the making videos as a separate thing, so we will do that. I will just angle that out of the way a little, so we'll still get some illumination, but you can see what is on the table a little better, hopefully. So there we are. That is the, I can never remember his name, Der Erntemann. I'm just wondering, yeah, the Erntemann or the Harvestman. So I'm going to call him the Harvestman from now on. That way I can pronounce it. Right, so that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.